I don't know what you want from me. We're in Budapest. We've just found a bar.
What are you looking forward to most on your trip?
You shutting up?
It's a cathedral. Built in recent times, relatively speaking, some dinosaurs. This was a place of worship for Hungarians.
What was your favourite part of the basilica, Tom?
The organ playing.
It was pretty jazzy.
I liked the way it just went. Parliament building.
Are we sure that's it?
I think it is.
I just don't think you should yell it until we actually know that we're here.
Parliament building!
We're at the Parliament building. It's really nice. Look at these fences. Oh my god. Oh, exquisite.
So much change happening all around.
Look at these sweet ass port cabins.
Oh, wow, there's like 3 of them stacked on top of each other. How do they build these things? Where's Waldo? Hungarians, known for their fountains, have been building them in Budapest. Here are some now. Oh, whoa! It's amazing! Have you seen it?
What would you rate this fountain out of
10. 10 out of 10.
It's a heckin' good fountain.
I'm drawing a lot of attention to ourselves. It's not a bad thing, don't worry. I know we're doing a video. No, a bus. So, what are you doing in Budapest?
I don't know.
This is an interview.
It's my stag do.
No way! Are you getting married?
Yes, it's what stag do's for.
Who to? Point him out. I assume his name was Dave. So our good friend Dave left me with this. Yeah, it was good. Kick the leaves. Kick them. You look ridiculous. It's nice, isn't it?
Baby's butts.
Did you say baby's butts?
Baby's butts.
Oh my god. When was it built?
About 4 years ago.
That's not true. simpler, Kurt. It's simply. You say Kurt.
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 That's what I said, Kurt.
I thought it said Kirk. Like captain.
I was going to say Cobain, so I think that's how it's different between you and me.
Here in Budapest, where they're boring.
How many types of cheese can you name, Tom?
Apparently, well, how many was it? 11? 12. 12. At least. Didn't even try to name 13. Burger cheese. Why do you do that all the time?
You have to say,
Oh my shit, you're bleeding. Oh.
look at my head!
Yeah, you look really bad. Oh my god, you might need stitches. Where's first aid? Oh, what's behind me? Shit, wow, this is terrifying.
Creepy as fuck.
We're in the labyrinth, and it's weird, and we're scared, and if you find this footage, come find us. What do you think of Budapest?
I mean, it would have been nice if it was this sunny all the time.
What a great way to end it. I particularly liked all the chats.